Number 4, the length of the sides of a triangle are given. You're going to classify each triangle as acute, right, or obtuse. You need to remember the converse theorems here, right? If a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, it is a right. A squared plus b squared is greater than c squared, that's acute. If a squared plus b squared is less than c squared, it is obtuse. All right, and remember, AB is the smallest and C is the largest. So let's do the first one here first. So A can be equal to 3, B is equal to 8, and C is equal to 10. So 3 squared plus 8 squared, and I'm gonna not put anything here, and I'm gonna have C squared here, right? Because we're not sure if it's equal or not. Okay, 3 squared plus 8 squared, that is a 73 if you plug it in your calculator, and 10 squared is 100. Okay, 100 is bigger, so we know that here the c squared is bigger, so this is going to be obtuse triangle. All right, let's do the next one. A equals to 4, B equals to 5, C equals to 7. So 4 squared plus 5 squared, question mark, 7 squared. Okay, 4 squared plus 5 squared in our calculator, that is 41. And we have 49 here, and 49 is bigger. Because 49 is bigger, like before, c squared is bigger. This makes it automatically obtuse. And let's do the third one here. A equals to 12, B equals to 15, C is equal to 19. 12 squared plus 15 squared, question mark, 19 squared. 12 squared plus 15 squared in our calculator, that gets you 369. 19 squared on our calculator gets 361. 369 is larger than 361. If we take a look at our properties, we see that a squared plus b squared is greater than, making this an acute triangle. So there you go. That is how you classify them as acute, right, or obtuse.